The all-IP meeting space is something that a concept that we're pushing globally, and it's really sort of taking off at the moment. So the idea is to take away clients from their traditional HD-based T setup, senders, receivers, matrices, and all the usual that everyone is quite comfortable with, and moving everything onto a network where you're replacing that matrix, which is quite fixed with inputs and outputs and quite rigid in its flexibility within a room, and replacing it with an IP config as such system, and then being able to give you the benefits of all of the IP there. So that's audio and video over IP. We can now send all the control over with our new Velocity system. USB for all of your peripherals, mainly cameras, touchscreens, microphones, everything else, all the stuff that you're using now. And then being able to bring that together and make it a much more flexible solution. Velocity is quite different to the traditional sense in control, whereby in a traditional sense you'll have a processor in every room. Velocity is a gateway processor, which is an IP-centric one. It sits in your comms room on your network and has the ability to communicate with all of your rooms with a RJ45 connection, and be able to control all of your legacy products, so 232, via a little IP translation box. Very, very simple, very cost effective, and is easily expandable up to 5,000 devices. We have redundancy, we have all the usual AES 128 encryptions and all the port securities required. Very, very simple configuration, so there's no specialist programming required, no sending a guy off for a week or two to learn something and then charging exorbitant amounts of money to clients to do simple things such as change sources or change an icon. It's really easy. We've partnered up with lots and lots of brands out there, big brands, Symmetrics, QSC, we've got Biamp, Tessera, and all the DSP guys that you'd expect, and we're really sort of pushing integration with other brands. We understand that we're not going to be an all-in-one solution in terms of audio to some respects. However, we do obviously integrate with those via bridges, etc. But the main return on investment is the fact that you can centralize everything and buy less hardware, stick it in a central location, put it on your network, and you have less boxes in each room. You have standard PoE for your AV and your control panels, everything else. It's not very, very simple. Use existing Cat5e infrastructure. It really is very, very easy.